And the bearing of the forward tangent is 17 degrees, 56 minutes, 21 seconds east of south. So, drawing muna natin yun. So, ito kunwari yung north. So, 42 degrees. Ayan. 42 degrees, 25, 32. Okay? East of north. Tapos, yung bearing naman ng forward tangent, okay? So, from the south to east, 17 degrees, 56 minutes, 21 seconds. Okay? And then, given yung radius ng first curve, 1,800. Yung radius ng second curve is also given. Tapos, given yung stationing ng PC. Ito yung PC. That is at 138 plus 34.12. Tapos, given din yung stationing ng PI. Ito yung PI. That is at 158 plus 12.92. Okay? Tapos, find the stationing of PCC. So, compound curve ito, no? Kunwari ganyan, no? So, ito yung PCC. Okay? So, now, to calculate the stationing of PCC, simple lang ito. Kailangan mo lang yung length na tong curve na to kasi meron kang stationing ng PC. Di ba? So, para makuha yung length ng curve, kailangan mo ng R tsaka ng I1. No? R1 tsaka I1. So, meron naman tayo R1. Yung I1 na lang yung wala. So, ito yung I1. Ito naman ay I2. Okay? So, to solve for I1 and I2, let's consider this triangle first. Yung triangle na yan. Dito na lang. Okay? So, this is I1. This is I2. Tapos, we can definitely define this angle. Okay? So, yung angle na yan. So, yung angle na yan is, hindi ba, if this is angle 42, ito rin. So, ibig sabihin, 42 degrees din. Ito kagaya nito. Opposite angle sila. So, ibig sabihin, yung total dito is just 17 plus 42. So, add lang natin. So, that is 60, 21, 53. Ay, sorry. Hindi pala ito 42. 46 pala, guys. Sorry. Naguling ako. This is 46. So, 64, 21, 53. Okay? So, yan. Ha? Tapos, ano pa ba? I believe we can also define this length. Yung length na yan. Hindi ba yung length na yan ay difference lang ng station PI tsaka station sa PC? Okay? So, that is 158. Tanggalin muna natin yung plus. Minus yung station sa PC, 138, 34.12. So that is 1978.86. Okay? So again, no, 158, 12.98 minus 138, 34.12. Okay? So ayan. 1978.86. So ibig sabihin, kung titingnan natin maigi, hindi ba ito at saka ito ay tangent ng first curve? Tapos, ito naman, although I think hindi kailangan, is tangent ng second curve. No? Ito ay first curve, sorry. Okay, so ibig sabihin, itong sukat netong green na to will be 1978.86 minus T1. Okay? So yun, no? Tapos ito naman, itong length na to is just T1 plus T2. Kasi ito yun. Yan yun, no? T1 plus T2 yan. Okay? So that's our first kumbaga relationship. Next, isa pa, total given yung radius, di ba pwede nating i-relate yung I tsaka yung T, no? So recall na T is R tangent I over 2. So ibig sabihin, yung T1 ay equal sa R1 which is 1,800 tangent of I1 over 2. Tapos yung T2 naman is R2 which is 900 tangent of I2 over 2. So ibig sabihin, itong T1 tsaka T2 na to, pwede natin isulat in terms of I1 and I2. Ganon din ito. Para puro I lang muna, na wala munang T. And then, ang isa pang problema pag ganun is meron kang dalawang variable, I1 tsaka I2. So ano ba ang relationship ng dalawa? Once again, recall that sa compound curve, yung I1 plus I2 ay equal sa I. Ano yung I? Yun yung I dito. Okay? Which I believe we can calculate. No? Yung I na yan is yung supplement lang nito eh. Diba? Yan yung I na yun. No? So, ibig sabihin, 180 minus 64 lang yun. No? 180 minus 64, 21, 53. So, that is 115 degrees, 38 minutes, 7 seconds. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, we can define I2 in terms of I1, which is 115 degrees, 38 minutes, 7 seconds minus I1. So, ibig sabihin, itong T2, pwede nating isulat as 900 tangent of 115 degrees, 38 minutes, 7 seconds minus I1 all over 2. Okay, para puro in terms of I1 na lang tayo. And hopefully, masolve natin yung I1. Okay? So, from this triangle, we can now perform sine law. Di ba? Lumalabas ito, 1978.86 minus T1 over sine of I2 is equal to, ito naman, T1 plus T2 over sine of, itong angle na to is 64 degrees, 21 minutes, 53 seconds. Ayan. Okay, and then, like I said earlier, itong I2, pwede natin isulat ng ganito. Tapos yung T1, T2, pwede natin isulat ng ganito at saka ng ganito. Tapos, as you can see, puro I1 na lang yung nawawala. So, therefore, we have 1978. Sulat lang natin ha. Minus T1. Yung T1 is 1,800 tangent of I1 over 2 over sine of I2. Ang I2 ay 115 degrees, 38 minutes, 7 seconds minus I1 equals T1 plus T2. Ang T1 is 1,800 tangent of I1 over 2 plus ang T2 is 900 tangent of I2 over 2. But I2 is 115 degrees, 38 minutes, 7 seconds minus I1 over 2. Okay? All over sine of 64. 2150. Okay, and then from here, we can shift solve for I1. So, medyo mahaba lang talaga, no? Siguro, lagi ko to sa calculator. Lagyan natin dito sa 8 para hindi humaba yung isusulat. Tapos yung kanina, ito. Lagay natin sa B to, ha? Ayan. Okay, so ito yung B. Minus 1/8 tangent x over 2 over sine ng yung A minus x equals 1/8 tangent x over 2 plus 900 tangent. Nilagay ko yan sa B or sa A. Sa A ko nilagay na minus x over 2 over sine of 64. Ito hindi ko na ilagay. Pero anyway, type na lang natin. Keep solve. Yung B ay 198, tapos yung A is 88. So solving for x, yung I natin is 32.36 degrees. Ayan. Okay? And then now we can calculate for the length of this curve. So length of this curve. Okay? Which is I1 times R1. So tawagin na natin ito na LC1. So LC1 is equal to R1 I1 pi over 180. So ang R1 natin 1,800, ang I1 natin ay x tapos pi over 180. So that is 1,016.48 feet. Okay, so therefore, yung stationing ng PCC is yung stationing ng PC, which is 138,34.12 plus yung LC1. So that gives us 148 plus 50, no? 148 plus 50.6. Okay, and from the choices, that is letter A. Okay? Kung gusto nyo hanapin yung stationing ng PT, dito yung PT, di ba? So, idadagdag nyo lang yung length naman ng curve na to, LC2. So, ganun lang yun. Okay? So, that's how we solve this particular problem.